मित्रांनो नमस्कार. आजच्या सत्रामध्ये मी श्री वानखेड सर तुम्हा सर्वांचे स्वागत करतो. आणि मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत 10वी सेमी पुनर्रचित सेतू अभ्यासक्रम गणित, आणि दिवस आहे 18वा. ब्रिज कोर्स रिवाइज्ड क्लास 10th मॅथमॅटिक्स पार्ट 1 and 2, ॲकॅडमिक इयर 2022 and 23. चला तर मग बघूया आजच्या दिवसाचा सिलेबस काय आहे. टॉपिक क्वाड्रिलॅटरल, सब टॉपिक प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्वाड्रिलॅटरल and triangles. Today's topic is quadrilateral and subtopic properties of quadrilateral and triangle. Some important points about quadrilateral. First, theorem of sum of angles of quadrilateral. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral. We know that the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of all angles means all the four angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Therefore, quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure. Quadrilateral ABCD as shown in the figure here. A, B, C and D. Measure angle A plus measure angle B plus measure angle C plus measure angle D equal to 360 degree. This is the important points. Sum of all angles. Sum of all angles of quadrilateral equal to 360. Now, test of parallelogram. First, if opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. If opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. This is the condition of parallelogram. If opposite sides of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is parallelogram. In PQRS, if side PS congruent side QR and side PQ congruent side SR, then quadrilateral PQRS is a parallelogram. Here, as shown in the figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral and its diagonals are PR and QS intersect point T each other. Second, if opposite angles of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. If opposite angles, first we see about sides and here angles. If opposite angles of a quadrilateral are congruent, then it is a parallelogram. In PQRS, if angle PQR congruent angle PSR and angle QPS congruent angle QRS, then PQRS is a quadrilateral. This is the second condition of parallelogram. Now, third, if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. This is also the condition. Third condition, if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other, then it is a parallelogram. In quadrilateral PQRS, if segment PT congruent segment TR and segment QT congruent segment TS, then PQRS is a parallelogram. This is the third condition or properties म्हणूया आपण. Now next, fourth, if pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral if a pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel as well as congruent, then it is a parallelogram. If a pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is parallel as well as congruent, then it is a parallelogram. In quadrilateral PQRS, if segment PS congruent segment QR and segment PS parallel segment QR, then PQRS is a parallelogram. Now, theorem of midpoints of two sides of a triangle. This is more important, dear student. Theorem of midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Midpoint theorem आपण त्याला म्हणूया. The segment joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. See carefully. The segment joining midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. In triangle ABC, point P and Q are midpoints of side AB and side AC respectively. Therefore, segment PQ parallel segment BC and PQ is half of BC. Means PQ equal to 1 by 2 into BC. This is the theorem of midpoints of two sides of a triangle. Now next, look at in the picture or diagram as shown in the figure. Triangle ABC is any triangle and PQ segment PQ is parallel to side BC of triangle ABC and midpoint touch to the midpoint of AB and AC in point P and Q respectively. P is the midpoint of AB and Q is the midpoint of AC. So here PQ is the half of BC. PQ equal to half of BC. Now next, converse of midpoint theorem. If a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to the other side, then it bisects the third side. Therefore, in triangle ABC, point P is midpoint of segment AB and PQ parallel segment BC. Then AQ equal to QC. This is the midpoint, converse of the midpoint theorem. Next, now today's exercise. Question number first: state whether the given statements are true or false. First is every parallelogram is a rhombus. Second, every rhombus is a rectangle. Third, every rectangle is a parallelogram. Or fourth, every square is a rectangle. Note your opinion. In triangle ABC here, ABC is a triangle and EF is a parallel side to the triangle BC, and E and F is the midpoint of side AB and AC respectively. Now question number 2. If measures of three angles of quadrilateral are 65 degree, 95 degree and 40 degree, then find the measure of fourth angle. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला 3 अँगल्स दिलेले आहेत क्वाड्रिलेटरलचे आणि चौथा अँगल्स काढायचा आहे. चौथा अँगलचं माप आपल्याला काढायचं आहे, मेजर ऑफ फोर्थ अँगल्स. आन्सर: सम ऑफ measurement of all angles of quadrilateral equal to 360 degree. We know that, but sum of three angles which is to be given here 65, 95 and 40 equal to 200. Therefore, measurement of fourth angle equal to 360 minus 200 equal to 160. 160 is the measure of the fourth angles. Now, next question. Question number 3. If width of a rectangle is less than 4 cm of its length and its perimeter is 32, then find its length and width. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय पेरिमीटर दिलेलं आहे मित्रांनो 32 and find length and width. Given condition is length of rectangle, suppose x, and width of rectangle equal to x minus 4 by condition, which is to be given here if width of rectangle is less than 4. Therefore, here width of rectangle is x minus 4. Therefore, P means perimeter equal to formula 2 into L plus B. Therefore, P is given 32 equal to 2 into x plus x minus 4 by condition. Therefore, 2x plus 2x minus 8. Therefore, 4x equal to 14. Therefore, x equal to 10. Therefore, length equal to 10 and width equal to x minus 4 means 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Today's syllabus. End of the today's syllabus. See you again tomorrow. Next syllabus. Dear student, thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe please. See you again tomorrow in next period. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद.